Hey friends, welcome back to AppIQ. In this video, I'm going to show you how to terminate an app in Windows 11. So go ahead and right click on the Windows icon on your taskbar and go to Install Apps. Once you install apps, you want to go ahead and find applications that either came on the computer or those are applications that you install from the Microsoft Store. And so you can go ahead and find those applications. And I'm going to show you an example. So Affinity right here, I didn't install this from the App Store. And so when I click on more or the three dots here, you can see that it only gives me modify and uninstall. Let's use another example. Calculator, calculator and camera, these are apps that come on the computer. If you click here, you can see advanced options. And within the advanced options, you are able to terminate apps. So you scroll down and you'll find the option to terminate. So any application that either come on a computer or can be installed on the Microsoft Store, you can easily find that by clicking on the advanced option to terminate. I'm going to use one that I've done myself, which is Facebook. I've installed this from the Microsoft Store and I can click advanced options here. And here I have the option to terminate. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.